Want to create a storage bucket on Google Cloud Platform in just a couple of minutes? With Terraform, you can set up a GCP bucket quickly and easily. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automate the process using Terraform, and even how to upload a file to your new bucket. Let's dive in. First, we need to create a Terraform configuration file that defines our GCP bucket. Open your text editor and create a file named main.tf. In this file, we'll specify the Google Cloud resources. Here's a simple example. This configuration sets up a GCP storage bucket named My Terraform Bucket in the US region, with uniform bucket level access enabled and the option to forcefully destroy the bucket when Terraform is run. Once you've written the configuration, it's time to initialize Terraform. In your terminal, navigate to the directory where main.tf is saved and run. This command initializes the Terraform working directory and downloads the necessary provider plugins for GCP. Next, apply the configuration to create the bucket. Terraform will display an execution plan. Review the plan and type yes to confirm and apply the changes. After a few moments, your GCP bucket will be created. You can verify it by visiting the Google Cloud Console and navigating to the storage section. You should see My Terraform bucket listed there, ready to use for storing files, backups, or any other data. Now that your bucket is ready, let's upload a file to it. In your terminal, use the gsutil command, which is part of the Google Cloud SDK, to copy a file to your new bucket. Here's how to do it. This command copies your file.txt from your local machine to the My Terraform bucket you just created. You can check the bucket in the Google Cloud Console to confirm that the file has been uploaded. And that's it. You've just set up a Google Cloud Platform bucket using Terraform and uploaded a file to it. If you're interested in deploying more infrastructure on GCP, don't miss our previous video where we show you how to create a Kubernetes cluster using Terraform.